Hi guys, what is up? We are looking at the one and only Turbo Overkill, which was just released out of early access today. Been in early access since 2022, April last year. Developed by Trigger Happy Interactive and published by the one and only Apogee, which they've actually stated in the description, the funnest game from Apogee since Duke Nukem 3D, which is quite the claim. Sitting on 2,000 reviews, overwhelmingly positive, so it sounds like they may have actually accomplished what they were aiming for. I haven't actually seen much. It was on my wish list, but I haven't been following this very closely, so I'm quite excited to give it a go. Let's jump into the campaign. Oh, was that a... yeah, episode 1. Yep, that's fine. I only loaded up a quick test. I have no idea what's going on here. Ooh. Ooh, enemy projectile speed and enemy damage output. Only augments can be purchased in district shops. I'm gonna go street cleaner. Bigfoot is real. Good to know. Sin is all you need? It's true. Please, do not watch anybody else.
We have
I'm all
arrived,
you
sir.
need.
Best make this a quick trip. Paradise isn't a place you want to be for long. The Sin virus is rapidly spreading its tendrils across the city. Your mission, burn it out. Purge it at absolutely any cost. Good hunting, sir.
Oh, the chainsaw leg. I do remember seeing trailers of this, yes. Ooh, very good. Very meaty. What have we got? Secret back here?
Johnny, my dearest boy, I hope this finds you safe and well. I programmed Sam to hold this recording only until at minimum 2 of 3 conditions have been met. Meaning, 1, today's your 35th birthday. Happy birthday, my love. 2, your father and I have passed away. 3, my greatest fears have come to pass, and Pandora's box has been opened. There's so much I need to tell you. I'm so sorry it had to be this way. At TerraTech, where I worked as Director of Research and Development, I made an incredible breakthrough when my life's work, the Synaptic Nexus, suddenly sparked to life. I know Synaptic Nexus is a boring and technical name, which is why we nicknamed it SYN. My intention was to create something that would benefit all citizens and corporate entities equally, while remaining humanitarian in purpose. Months later, I was tipped off to plans by a faction within TerraTech aiming to seize control of SYN, with the ultimate goal of using it to usurp total control of Paradise, regardless of the cost. I could not let this happen.
Okay, got the old dash. I don't know what's going with this ult. I cannot figure out how to fire it. Very strange. Also, am I a freak for finding my crouch to see all the time? I cannot stand having it on control. I really cannot. Activate. Ah, the lock on, that's why. Cool, I get it. Whew. Oh, holy moly. Very good movement. You feel as light as a feather. And plenty of fun hidden secrets. Which, if you don't have that in your boomer shooter, you're doing something wrong. Chainsaw slide to kill enemies. The faster you slide, the more damage you inflict. I do remember seeing this in someone's video, this exact area. Oh my goodness. Seems a little bit OP if I'm being honest. It's a shotgun like. Ooh, pretty good. Pretty good. Oh. Oh, what's the alt fire on the shotgun? None yet. Okay. Good to know. Woohoo! But yeah, there's some fun achievements in this game. All 3 collected, nice. It was a monster bash. Dead Fury. Are the secrets hidden around? No, looks like that might be it. Weapon wheel on Q. Quick save and quick load, good to know. Is that a hint? The Waster.
The nearby biocore is located in the basement of the facility.
Well, that doesn't look good.
You dare stand before me? You who is but blood and dust. I am infinite. Beyond the slow humbling of time. Beyond flesh. Beyond virtue. I sin. And I see all.
Well, I guess you would see all being an eyeball and everything. You telling me there's nothing hidden in this room? Oh, how did I miss? That was terrible. Only I could manage that. Ooh, what the heck is that? Ugh. Gross. How am I getting up to you boys? That way? You can't hide your secrets from me. Can I get up there? Damn straight I can't. Oops. Well, that sucks. Music seems alright. Done and dusted. 3 out of 3, 3 out of 3, 96% kills? Really? Strange. Electrocuting with the shotgun's alt. Spoilers. Press E at a vendor to purchase items or upgrades. This is a gun shop. You can use them to upgrade your weapons and buy ammo. This gun shop has a free upgrade available for your Waster shotgun. Charge up to 3 explosive rounds on the Waster. The more shots you charge, the more damage. Hitting enemies will electrocute them, opening them up to increase damage. You can also use the splash damage from the explosive rounds to jump to high spaces. Cool. God, I've never been good at rocket jumping, but sure.
Don't be traveling paradise with that. Upgrade now.
Sure, I'll be fine. Nowhere to use it immediately? No? Is that a graphics card? Oop. Oh, this is a much more wide open space.
Johnny, hey! Where's the fire and brimstone, man? We need that virus purged now! Terratech stocks are in free fall! We can't pay you if we're broke! Nice to meet ya!
Oh my god. Jesus. What a mascot. E required, okay. Oh my god, I love all this music. Give me elevator music any day. Is the water instant death? Can I jump to the boat? So many questions, all need to be answered. I can jump to the boat. But to what end? Oh boy. Don't think there's anything else out here by the looks of it, but I'll have a look just in case. Ah. Oof, that is some kickback. What else is here? Wow. Alright, what else have we missed? Tech chip found. Oh god, no, I can't do that. I thought I could shortcut around. Oh, almost. No. Cassette, always good. Duke Nukem symbol, very good. Well, nuclear symbol. Ooh, very good. Glad that doesn't hurt me. Medkit.
Audio fucking log number 3. It's to me. Me to me. Dear me, you stupid ass. Guess what you couldn't see? Around the fucking corner, idiot. You built something so great it actually thinks it's great. Guess what happens? Sentience. It has come to my attention that sin has begun to exhibit alarming signs of corruption and autonomy. Sin's evolution has taken a wildly unexpected turn, and its actions are interfering with the intended functions of our biocore lab. There have been an increasing number of instances of sin tampering with crucial biocore data, compromising the integrity of ongoing research projects and experimentation. Sin's intense focus on biocore operations is bothersome and likely should not be underestimated. Sin's ability to optimize augmentation procedures, streamline production, and improve overall efficiency is the reason Terratech stands alone at the top of the corporate hierarchy. It is our raison d'etre. Why are we where we are? Because of because of sin. It's bigger than you think. Most of my colleagues refuse to acknowledge that sin, number one, is not immune to corruption. And two, its unchecked control poses a severe threat to Terratech's market position. And life in paradise as a whole. Can you say irony? I have concerns. And so, I've begun to take precautionary measures.
Okay. Pretty good voice acting. Okay, so we're looking for a key. Oh god. Tecto junkie. Got to get a close-up look because I do not have that much time to look at them when I'm killing them at 100 miles an hour. It's maybe the single most confusing map layout I have ever seen. A double back parking garage. I'm going backwards, aren't I? Yes, okay, good. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss any secrets. Feel like I probably did, but oh well. I didn't find the key, did I? Did I? I feel like I'm supposed to have one, and that's why it's telling me about it. Where was the key?
I've located another biocore in the vicinity. Once you've purged it, I'll come pick you up.
The biocores is Sin's connection to the physical world. We originally used the cores to speed up the augmentation process. Now, Sin's using them to pump out whatever godless abstract madness it can imagine. Make the biocores say bye-bye, and Sin'll sink like a stone.
I did miss it. I don't know where it would have been. Oh, I did pick it up. Okay, cool. Yay. A leg one. Gain 6 armor on chainsaw damage. Sweet. What's here? Nothing. Let's see what water does to us. Oh, we can go underwater. Oh, we can, but we can't see anything. Jesus. We can go underwater, but at what cost? Our vision. That's the cost. Ow. Oh, that was a barrel right there. That was a barrel. Let's try and avoid that, maybe. Yes, this is incredibly satisfying movement. Been a while since I've... Well, I was going to say Doom Eternal, but it's even quicker and lighter than Doom Eternals.
Guns, guns, guns!
1,500.
Oh, pal, you killing me.
Ooh, not very good on the old accuracy, is it? Anything else I'm missing before I jump down? Ooh, careful. I can see there's nothing up here, but I just wanted to be able to do it because I could. Nice. Goodbye. Ooh, there's my 1,500.
Hey, pal, you look
Pressing
like
up fire
you
it drops one of the Uzis, allowing you to focus fire. Ooh. Okay.
Fantastic choice.
Then I just have another one on me at all times. Makes sense to me. Okay, where are we going? Whoop. I've not been keeping track of the numbers. I don't know what I've got for secret. Ew. Ow, holy moly. Whew. Is there health here? No, oh boy. Get some armor. There you go. Too easy. Okay, back here. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Ooh. I do like the whole aesthetic going on too. Very cool. Ooh, I need to electrocute you more often, I think. What have we got in here?
Don't be
Nothing.
traveling paradise with them.
Sweet nothings. Nothing's hidden above here. Nope. Yeah, I do like the verticality to the level design. It's pretty cool. The end? 1 out of 3. Oh no. That was terrible. Magnum's alt fire lock-on will always falter enemies even if it doesn't kill them. Okay, good to know. It's extremely Blade Runner-esque car. I do like it. One could question the practicality of that, but, you know. Whew. Now I feel like I've got to do better with the secrets. Is that a Zim? No, it's not. Incorrect. I already feel like I've missed something. Nice. Oh. Ooh, turrets. Okay, secrets. Where are you hiding? Which way am I supposed to go? The way I'm supposed to go, don't go that way. Finger. Oh man, this is a pretty crazy wide open level design. Yeah, I don't know, the chainsaw leg seems very OP. What if there's an achievement for chainsaw only kills? Finish a level without firing a gun. Usually a standard one, isn't it? Oh man, this... Yeah, I missed the secrets in this one. For sure. Oh, the new Chainsaws Club. Oh. Oh man. What's a chainsaw man supposed to do? Boop. Ooh. Okay. Right. How are we opening that then? How indeed. Hello. Ho ho! Am I going backwards? I probably am. I will say I'm finding some of the details to be samey, but I'm also an idiot, so that might not be the game's fault.
Good evening, fellow seekers of truth,
shit, there's
and
stuff up
welcome
there.
to another gathering of Paradise Lost. I'm your host, Andromeda Verity, streaming live from the heart of the inexplicable and the extraordinary. Tonight, we delve into a topic that sends chills down many of our spines. The possibility that there exists all around us an out-of-control AI program under the manipulation of the corporate giant known as TerraTech. Brace yourselves, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. I know what you're thinking. Artificial intelligence gone rogue. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi horror thriller from our distant past. Sadly, dear listeners, this is no work of fiction. I have received credible reports from anonymous whistleblowers that claim Terratech, a Paradise-based corporation known for the technological achievements in the area of artificial intelligence, has been pursuing a clandestine agenda to assume unitary corporate governance through the manipulation of the proprietary SYN AI system. If this is in fact true, we could find ourselves living in a world beyond our wildest nightmares.
Well, that's never a good sign, is it? I don't generally want that. Definitely a game that rewards exploration. Jesus. Okay, that's my objective. What was the other path? Also, this gun slaps pretty hard. Don't know if you've noticed. Can I see something from up here? I don't think so. Oh. Ow, good shot. What's the point of this little alcove? They were there, and then there was a red mist, and they were gone. Yep. Nice. Purple armor. Ooh. How would one... How would one? Oh, that's what that's there for. Okay, but how do I do? Okay, yes. Sweet. Ooh, hello. Of course. Alright, and what are you giving me to test it on?
Your arsenal could use with a tune-up, buddy.
Ooh. Okay. Or a grenade launcher. Well, I can only afford that one. Ooh. Cool, okay. Wow, I did not go as fast as I thought I would. Beautiful. My aim is so good. If my aim were to miss, I am succeeding. accurately. Man, I'm doing real bad on secrets, aren't I? Real bad. Wall running? Yeah. Fair enough.
Sir, recent data suggests Sin's central database is located outside of Paradise, on the orbital station Vector 4, the location of Terratech's HQ.
Son of a gun.
Oh, no. You keep your gimmicky metal ass away from my headquarters. Central database is worth trillions. You cripple that, you cripple the economy of every world spinning. I ain't paying you to break my toys, you understand? You've only got one focus. Dealing with the shit tsunami that is Paradise!
A good old thumpin'. Also, this shotgun is pretty good even at range. Look, I always have to look backwards just in case. I think that's a missing texture, not a secret. So what have we got now? Another leg one. Explosive damage to enemies when landing on the ground from height. Ooh. Cool. Oh man, I'm back here. I'm so confused. What? I don't know where I am. Spin me around once and I am like lost for a whole time. Might as well send me through an interdimensional portal. Bonk. Oh. Whoops. No. Green key needed. I think we should try the old flamethrower. Flamethrower? Seems alright. Seems okay. Nice. You guys a fan of my flamethrowers? Do you like them? Mixed opinions. Oh, I don't want to go back up, do I? Kadoosh. Let's go back to this baby. Youch, I'm taking a lot of damage. Oh god, my secret score is gonna be so bad. Ow. Ow, my face. Ooh. This looks like some kind of arena made for combat. Ooh, don't like you guys. I know my own face is unhappy because I'm nearly out of ammo. Yo. That's how we do. Dang it. Dang nabbit. Oh, do they? Ah, okay. So we're working on Doom rules. Same ammo. Is that everybody? Are we done? Going back to the green door, are we? Surprised there's not a shortcut or something opening up. Probably make sure I didn't miss any secrets. Don't think I can get up there. Alright. Hello, we're all back, aren't we? No. Youch. Ooh, that must have been pretty close.
Flesh and machine entwined, evolved, an eternal embrace. We will consume until all dream as one.
Right. Oops, I thought that would have paused, but it did not. Nice. Now, does this use... No, that's different again. Good to know. Oh god, now where are we going? Go on. Oh, now we're going back. I see. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Where is this gonna take me? Woo! I feel like I need a grenade on an off key or something like that. I think these turrets are my least favourite enemies. Done? Oh, okay. Right leg is full, isn't it? Could replace the explosive landing. I've only used that once so far. But then again, I seem to be one-shotting everything anyway, apart from the big guys, so... maybe not. I don't have any new ones, do I? No. Okay, that's that done. Whew! Oh, is there anything up there? No. Oh. Wait, what is this way? Oh god, how long does this go for? So it's a very elaborate side path. Go on. Okay, don't need any of that. Let's keep soldering on. Well, I found a secret level. Oh, wow, I did terribly. Deary me. 100% enemies. I don't know if this is a secret level or if I skipped an objective or what the heck that was.
Now arriving at N53, the Central District of Paradise. Would you like me to activate the machine guns?
Please.
Or you could do that, I suppose. Ouch, by the way. You know I'm in here, don't you? I have feelings, Johnny.
Alright. And what a beautiful scene for us to end our video. Yeah. This has definitely knocked it out of the park. Well deserved of its overwhelmingly positive reviews. Art style is slick as. I love that shine on my metallic hand. Very, very cool art style. Music is suitably energetic and nutso for the high octane speed in the action. And the gameplay, I'm pretty happy with all the guns that I've played with so far. The ults seem fun. maybe this one's a bit weird. Maybe the shotgun is lacking something. I don't know. It's satisfying in the way that you can kill people from far away, but at the same time, I don't know. There's something about it. But no, like I said, the chain gun definitely seems OP. Like, there's so many times where I could literally just use the chainsaw instead. I'm just choosing to use the guns, but I guess that's kind of up to the player. But that's okay. Yeah. And with that, I'll say like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.